Midnight city, glowing screens. We're living life in between. We're talking through 1,000 lights, but never really face to face. A million words on silent nights, still something missing in this place. Crowded rooms but empty eyes, everyone just passing through. I never thought I'd feel alive till I found something real in you. Maybe we're just chasing time, trying not to fall behind, but in your arms I finally see what this life is meant to be. In a world of neon hearts, we found something true. Through the noise and the chaos, I'm holding on to you. When everything's changing and nothing feels right, you're the only thing steady in this flashing light. That's enough. We scroll through dreams we'll never live, comparing lives we barely know. But there's a truth you always give, a quiet strength that helps me grow. We're not perfect, we're just real, fighting battles day by day. But every scar we learn to heal brings us closer in our way. Something honest in a world untrue. When everything's fading into the night, you're the spark that keeps me burning bright. Oh, don't let go, stay close to me. You're the best part of reality in this modern life. So fast, so tough, it's you and me. That's enough. Neon lights begin to dim.